Under precise heat and pressure, aramid polymers are born, the backbone of firefighter protective clothing. The aramid polymer thickens into a stable solution, a critical step toward producing flame-resistant fibers. Filtration removes microscopic impurities that could weaken firefighter protective fibers.
The purified polymer is carefully transferred toward spinning units, where fibers take shape.
Through microscopic spinnerets, liquid polymer transforms into continuous fire-resistant filaments. As fibers cool and solidify, their structure locks in heat resistance, vital for firefighter safety. Stretching the fibers aligns their molecular structure, dramatically increasing strength and heat resistance.
Controlled heat permanently stabilizes the fibers, ensuring they maintain strength under extreme fire exposure.
Para-aramid fibers, like Kevlar, add critical tear and abrasion resistance to firefighter protective gear.
PBI fibers are engineered to survive the most extreme fire temperatures firefighters may face.
Fibers are wound into uniform spools, ready for textile manufacturing. Each fiber is tested to ensure it can endure the extreme stresses of firefighting. Fibers face direct flame to confirm they resist ignition and structural failure.
Approved fibers are grouped and tracked to maintain full manufacturing traceability. Batch traceability ensures consistent fireworker special protective uniform quality.
With fibers approved and sealed, the journey continues into textile manufacturing. Approved fibers arrive at the textile mill, ready to become firefighter-grade fabrics. Crates are unloaded and staged for yarn preparation.
Fibers are precisely fed into twisting machines to begin yarn formation.
Exact twist control gives firefighter fabrics their strength and flexibility.
Laser calibration guarantees consistent yarn thickness across the entire batch.
Prepared yarn beams feed the looms that create firefighter-grade textiles. Looms are precisely configured to weave high-density, fire-resistant fabric. High-density weaving creates a tough outer shell capable of withstanding extreme conditions.
Aramid yarns interlace to create a durable, flame-resistant textile. Fabric grows continuously from loom.
Precise tension control prevents defects in firefighter protective fabrics. Continuous scanning confirms every meter of fabric meets strict firefighting standards. Separate looms weave the inner liner, balancing comfort with fire resistance.
A tightly wove base fabric prepares the uniform for waterproof yet breathable protection.
As weaving continues, fabric builds into large, uniform rolls. Automated systems scan every inch of fabric for defects.
Minor defects are corrected to maintain fabric integrity. Defective sections are repaired or reinforced.
Edge sealing prevents unraveling during transport and cutting. Each roll is labeled for traceability and correct layer assignment.
Protective wrapping shields fabrics from contamination.
Finished fabrics move onward for treatment and coating. Fabric rolls are unwrapped and prepared for chemical treatment. Flame-retardant chemicals penetrate the fabric at a molecular level.
Excess chemicals are removed to maintain exact treatment levels.
Heat curing permanently bonds protective chemicals to the fibers. A breathable membrane is laminated to block water and chemicals. Bond strength is tested to confirm long-term performance.
Reflective compounds are prepared for high-visibility safe markings.
Treated fabrics are cured and approved for garment construction.
Thermal insulation felt is prepared to block extreme heat.
Laser sensors ensure consistent thermal insulation thickness. Thermal insulation is bonded to the inner liner fabric. Bonded liners are inspected for uniformity and integrity.
Controlled cooling stabilizes bonded liner layers.
Finished liners are rewound for controlled handling. Surface consistency is verified to eliminate comfort issues.
Moisture resistance is tested to prevent water and steam penetration.
Samples are exposed to extreme heat to verify thermal protection.
Approved fabric rolls are certified and released for garment production.
Samples are cut from each fabric roll for certification testing.
Fabric samples are exposed to direct flame to measure ignition resistance. Radiant heat penetration is measured to assess burn protection. Fabric tear resistance is measured under controlled force. Repeated abrasion simulates real-world wear conditions. Hydrostatic pressure tests confirm waterproof performance.
All test results are logged into traceable quality systems.
Certification labels are generated for approved fabric batches. Labels are printed and prepared.
Certified fabrics are officially released for garment production.
Certified fabrics are transformed into precise digital garment patterns.
Mobility zones are engineered for unrestricted firefighter movement. High-stress zones are reinforced for extreme working conditions. Finalized patterns are sent directly to CNC cutting systems. Certified fabrics are stacked to enable high-volume precision cutting.
CNC blades cut jacket panels with millimeter accuracy.
Sleeve panels are cut to match ergonomic design.
Trouser leg panels are cut for strength and flexibility.
Extra strong panels are cut for high-impact zones. Smaller protective components are cut with precision.
Thermal liner layers are cut separately for internal assembly. Moisture barrier layers are cut without damaging membranes.
Cut components are sorted and grouped by size.
Prepared components are delivered to the assembly line. Outer shell panels are aligned precisely to ensure seam accuracy. Reinforcement patches are positioned on high-stress areas. Guidelines ensure reflective tape is stitched accurately. Industrial sewing begins, joining layers of fireworker special protective uniform. Jacket torso panels are stitched together accurately. Shoulder seams are reinforced to withstand heavy firefighting loads. Sleeves are sewn onto the jacket for full articulation. Collar is sewn into jacket neckline precisely. Cuffs are reinforced to withstand wear and tear. Moisture barrier sewn to liner for water protection.
Thermal liner attached to jacket interior.
Seam sealing ensures fireworker special protective uniform is fully water resistant. Trouser waist sewn and reinforced for firefighter mobility. Knee panels are stitched to allow maximum mobility while maintaining protection. Seat reinforcement provides extra wear protection for firefighters. Moisture barriers are sewn in place for full leg protection. Thermal liner sewn to provide maximum heat protection. Reflective tape sewn for high visibility in extreme conditions. Zipper sewn to withstand high temperatures. Hook and loop closures sewn for quick donning and secure fit.
Brass snaps provide secure fastening points.
Buckles and straps installed for adjustable fit and safety.
Size labels sewn to ensure correct sizing for each firefighter.
All internal seams of the fireworker special protective uniform are inspected carefully for quality. Loose threads on the fireworker special protective uniform are trimmed for a clean finish. Jackets and trousers are paired to form complete fireworker special protective uniform sets.
Each fireworker special protective uniform set is checked to ensure correct size matching.
Fireworker special protective uniform sets are checked to ensure no components are missing.
Seams are checked meticulously to ensure fireworker special protective uniform meets durability standards. Uniforms are cleaned of dust and loose fibers before final packaging.
Steam finishing enhances appearance and removes wrinkles from the fireworker special protective uniform.
Uniforms are folded neatly, keeping all layers aligned for packaging. Fireworker special protective uniform sets are organized by size for efficient distribution. Uniforms are tested for full range of motion to ensure firefighter safety and comfort. Weight and balance are checked to ensure uniform comfort and mobility during firefighting operations. All seams are inspected to ensure the fireworker special protective uniform meets durability standards.
All hardware on the Fireworker Special Protective Uniform is tested to ensure durability under extreme conditions.
Visual inspection ensures the Fireworker Special Protective Uniform meets aesthetic and safety standards. Any defects in the Fireworker Special Protective Uniform are logged to ensure only high-quality uniforms reach firefighters.
Any defects in the Fireworker Special Protective Uniform are logged to ensure only high-quality uniforms reach firefighters.
Defective Fireworker Special Protective Uniform sets are rejected to maintain operational safety.
Approved Fireworker Special Protective Uniform sets are tagged for traceability.
Serial numbers are applied to each Fireworker Special Protective Uniform for tracking and accountability.
Certification labels ensure each Fireworker Special Protective Uniform meets regulatory standards.
The Fireworker Special Protective Uniform receives final approval, ready for packaging and delivery.
Uniforms are cleaned to perfection before final packaging.
Steam finishing enhances appearance and ensures professional quality Fireworker Special Protective Uniform.
Uniforms folded neatly for packaging while maintaining safety features alignment.
All Fireworker Special Protective Uniform sets are organized by size, ready for packaging and delivery.
Fire-resistant protective bags are open to receive the Fireworker Special Protective Uniform sets.
Instruction manuals are added to guide firefighters in proper use and maintenance of the Fireworker Special Protective Uniform. Bags containing the Fireworker Special Protective Uniform are sealed to maintain protection and hygiene.
Fireworker Special Protective Uniform sets are carefully packed into cartons for distribution. Cartons containing Fireworker Special Protective Uniform sets are palletized for efficient transport.
Pallets containing Fireworker Special Protective Uniform are wrapped to prevent movement and damage during transit.
Pallets of Fireworker Special Protective Uniform are loaded onto trucks for distribution to fire departments. Fireworker Special Protective Uniform sets are transported safely to distribution hubs. Shipping and export documentation for Fireworker Special Protective Uniform sets are prepared and verified. Fireworker Special Protective Uniform sets arrive safely at fire departments for firefighter use.
Firefighters receive their Fireworker Special Protective Uniform, ready for service.
Firefighters equip themselves with Fireworker Special Protective Uniform, ready for emergency operations.
The Fireworker Special Protective Uniform protects the firefighter in extreme heat and dangerous conditions.
The Fireworker Special Protective Uniform successfully shields the firefighter, demonstrating its effectiveness and reliability.